Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Go play. Baby. Go play. It's dirty? That's okay. It just has no wheels.
Where's your mixer truck? Or your digger truck? Can you find it?
Who's that?
She's been there.
Who is it? Who's over there?
The sandwich.
Sandwich?
The sandwich.
Hey, what's a birdie eat? Careful, Felix.
You're gonna fall down.
You gotta be real careful when you sit there.
Watch, I'm gonna make him
Where's the
fly.
bird? Birdie's gonna fly. Like, no, just let me in my house. How do you say birdie with your fingers, Felix? How do you use your you go like this? Look. Is that how you say birdie?
How you say birdie with your fingers? Careful, you're gonna knock this glass of pop off.
Whoa. Bird.
Oh!
Oh.
Right into my elbow. Okay, let's let him rest. Let him rest. Like a little doggy. Watch Felix, watch Felix.
Felix, let the birdie be.
Don't go close, he's scared.
He's scared. You gotta leave. Remember when the doggy scared you today and you cried? Well, that's what happens. That's why he's scared. We can't scare him because he's gonna cry.
He's all tired now.
Yeah.
I wonder why he did that.
Get his house. You can't get in his cage. Oh. Alright, alright. Relax.
That's what it is. He wants to go in his house. I covered it so that he'd stay out for a while. Okay, go home. Go home. You could go home now. Come on. Come on.
Oh,
Oh, he's tired.
he's tired.
Okay, he's tired. He needs a nap.
Oh,
Oh, he's home now. Go
Nap
home, Birdie.
time.
Take a nap. You're so tired.
I think Felix kind of scares him.
Huh?
I think Felix kind of scares him.
Oh, that's
Oh,
body.
Don't open it. Here's a snake. You can cut it up into little
Hi,
bits.
Felix.
Use this side of the knife. Cut.
Remember when you played with Play-Doh? Don't touch the Play-Doh. And you could see him close. Come here. Oh, you're so heavy.
This is good. That goes in the door.
We're making a birdie movie. We're making a birdie movie.
And the body is.
Uh-oh. You want to use mine? Want to try mine? Want to play with my pot? What you making, Felix? What are you making? You making soup? Yum. Tummy in the tummy.
Hey. Pee.
Hit the pat.
Din 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 din. Din 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 din. Din din din.
Oh, careful on the table. It's glass. Here, here, cook it over here. Cook it there. Is that delicious? Is that delicious? I'll get your other pat for you. I'll be right back. I'll get the other pat for you. Here it is. Where you going? Where you? What do you want?
It's skippers. Skippers up here.
What's up there?
It's spiders.
Oh, spiders up there? I don't see any spiders. I don't know what you're talking about.
No pumpkin. No. No pumpkin.
Are you cooking dinner? What you making? Noodles? You making soup and noodles? What you eating? What are you eating? What do you want? Want more spoons? What do you want? Where you going, mister? Where are you going? You're going up, but you're going to fall. What are you doing in the cabinets?
Oh, help.
Help?
You send me this.
Get you a dish?
This is. Let me see.
The ice cream cone cup.
Ow!
Did you choke on your pretend drink? Is it a pumpkin or is it an orange? What else do you want? That's all. No more.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Kiss your robin. Stop.
That's a cow. What's that one?
Oh my.
What did you say?
Oh my. It's that. Kiss your robin. Kiss your robin. Kiss your robin.
Yeah?
The kiss and the robin. Kiss robin. Kiss robin.
Wait, you got a banana over here. Don't open one. Here, you got an open one right here. Here's one. Here's a banana you got. Here. Now, put those back. You got one open already. Here. You want a bite? Here's a banana.
That's a cell.
Here's a banana. Want a bite? Take a bite. Is that yummy in your tummy? Another bite?
On the one. On the one.
No, not another one. You got one going already. One banana a day. You don't need to open them all.
I'm making a chain.
You making a chain?
He's making a chain.
You're making a banana chain.
This is a fix, a fix, a fix. This, so this. Oh, this.
They're stuck.
Put this back up.
Let's put all the cups away.
Open this.
Here, you got an open banana. Eat the one that's open. Good pumpkin song. Do the pumpkin song. Wait, let Grandma do. Here. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins on Halloween day. Yay! Very good. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins on Halloween day.
Little big pumpkin.
Mm-hmm. Some more. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins on Halloween day.
Pumpkin.
You sing the song. You sing 1 little, 2 little. You sing it. Sing it. Let me hear you sing the pumpkin song. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins on Halloween day. You want to see it in the movie? What you doing? Reading the book.
It's done.
Just laying down?
Good. It's a hot penguin.
Oh, hurt the penguin.
It's mommy.
Who is there? It's Aaliyah. Say hi, Aaliyah.
It's bunnies.
Hi, baby.
That's pie.
Maybe if your grandma has a battery, we can make it light up.
What size?
AA or whatever. Not a normal run-of-the-mill battery.
What is that, Felix?
Pumpkin.
You like pumpkin